Want to know how to enable disable notifications or see the type of notifications that you can choose to get in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily edit it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish application. And now once you've run that, on the top right side right here, you should be seeing your profile. So make sure you are logged in. We have also created a video on how to log in or create your account, so make sure to watch it. Now once you've run that, here you should be seeing your profile. Just simply hover on it and then select your profile right here, or just simply directly hit towards settings right here. So once you selected settings, here you should be directed towards notification on top. So if you're under any other settings, just simply hit towards notifications. And now here you can see type of notifications and where it sends you, that is email, app or SMS. So if you want to disable everything, just simply disable it just like this. And if you want to enable it specifically, just simply enable any one of these, which could be either app, email or SMS as well. And once you're done with it, if you haven't signed up to SMS, you can just simply type in your phone number right here and sign it up just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.